Hi everyone and welcome back to Crafts with Mike. Yes, we've got some new exciting things on the pipeline. It's been a busy long week, a lovely break, dancing around to All Shook Up backstage and all that. I don't actually dance, I just help with the lights and all that and all the technical stuff that we bring to the stage. Anyway, we've got the next Paper Crafter magazine. I have made significant improvements to this. I have got really fed up with raw mail. Our mail, for whatever reason, is only coming like once every 2 weeks, and I can't allow that. It's just getting ridiculous. So I've decided to change it to the newsagents. It took a few, times to took a while to try and figure out what newsagents does here. I have found a newsagents. I haven't done a file for this because these sort of copies are always available. No one really buys them, so I'm just going to get it off the shelf each time. I do recall they come in monthly. So this is the February one. That's why you don't see that white paper on it, because I've got that. But this is wow, 2 free gifts, 3 in 1, £60 apparently, so 15%. The Red Robins, apparently, we've got some exclusive new paper collections inside. Win 89-piece craft kits, glue gun, Navo drops, colouring pencils, alcohol markers, ribbons, alphabet dies, craft knife and cardstock. We've also got free highlight crafts, downloads, reflection sheet and backing papers, plus 20% off, no waste die cutting, foiling and acetate cards. Now, I have had a sneak peek because obviously I've done a preview on my other channel. As you can see, we've got some other bits and bobs there. I'm just going to dry my mat because for some reason it's got water on it. Not entirely sure why, but it seems to be all wet. So let me just dry that up. Don't want to get water damage on the magazine. That'd be a disaster. But let's have a look in here and see what we got. So yeah, looks pretty nice. So we've got ourselves the Red Robins, apparently, artwork to not scale. Oh wow, it's a die cut. Oh wow. So this is what goes in a die cut machine, and basically if you're working with card, you just put the die onto it. It goes through like a roll up machine thing, very similar to a laminator, and it prints it onto the back there. That's gorgeous. I might have to show Esther that. She will like something like that. It's really, really good. We've also got 2 free gifts apparently, so I'm assuming the other free gift is this one. This is the Red Robins, and it says subscribe to Crafts Beautiful. That is another magazine that they do, but this is Paper Crafter. There's also one called Crafts Beautiful Today, and this obviously comes to that. They've got a trial offer at giftstoyou.com. That's a sister company, and inside here we have some, oh wow, these are stamps. So these are stamps, as you can see. Oh wow. Try and get it off, but look at that. Oh wow. Okay, so we've got all sorts going on here, some trees. We've got that little robin stamp there by the looks of it. Some leaves in that, a log. So all you need for these are inks, and as you can see, they come off really lovely. It's made from like a latex. And if you wanted to wash the ink off, you can, but you can do some wonderful things with that. Got some really good, exciting projects coming up. We used to have a shop in Braintree called Paper Mill. Unfortunately, that's been closed down for some time. So I'm going to have to check with my card suppliers to find out where we can get them, and then we'll start inking and doing all that palaver. So we've got that. The next thing that we've got is the actual magazine, which is the Paper Crafter, and this is the issue 183, which was my next issue. And so I'm getting attacked by wire here. And in here, let's have a look. Prism, A World of Colour. I thought that meant Prism Diamond Paint in there. Oh yeah! Look at this, hunkydorycrafts.co.uk. Wow. Might have to go to the Grand National in Derby. You know that game in the amusements where you put a coin in and the horse races down this so-called arcade game, but these are all the stamps if you want to get that. Really lovely. Hunky-dory. Well, there's something you don't hear every day. It's really good. Some note to keep calm and carry on crafting with our latest monthly finds there. If you do want to get this, please do check out I think they come from Aceville or DC Thompson. One of the two has them, but obviously I've cut my subscription now. I get it from the newsagents. So this is your beautiful garden collection. 29 keep forever can't get it out. Sorry about that. 29 keep forever elements to boost your craft stash. Plus Karen Baker shows you 10 ways with your gift. So that's that. And I think what's lovely about these magazines, it's like the kids magazines, isn't it, where you pick it up from the supermarket, you've got brand new toy. In these you get all sorts of different things. That looks absolutely beautiful. One of my favourite colours there, teal, T-E-A-L. We've got some fantastic, even they agree, look, fantastic. 3 folded decorations are guaranteed to brighten up your home in an instant. Absolutely fan-dabby-dozy. Peekaboo! A purchase, one adorable bunny character with sweet impressions. So really, really lovely. Obviously Easter's coming up, so good craft there. You've got Club Paper Crafter there. So all the different people, that's a nice one. I can see that's probably a die cut there. All the different things there. Splendor there. Box card, easel card, bright card. We've got it all. The prettiest season starts to bloom. And yeah, it's really, really lovely actually. This is gorgeous. So grateful for you. Oh, that's nice. How to get really good at colouring in. Yes, we all do love our colouring in. Fairy tales add dimension to your greeting with a barely 3 acetate layer. It's really, really lovely. Craft Buddy have got a bin. It's a diamond painting bin, so if you want to get that. This reminds me of, you know, the Christmas sort of soap and spray called Brute. My dad, oh yes, Mum's the World. It definitely is on March because Mother's Day is coming up in March. That's the next big event here in the UK. Need a Mother's Day greeting in a hurry? Try Tracy Dakin Jones, fast and fabulous. And what a fantastic card that is right there. Really, really gorgeous. We've got Masterclass Technique embossing folders. Celebrate embossing it. It couldn't be easier to add texture to your cards with embossing folders and inks. We show you how. I should be a TV presenter. I'd be really good at that. You know, on these programs, like you buy things off the telly. That program, what's it called? The book club there. All about Kew Gardens paper collection and the botanical garden where them giant lids are found. There's actually a giant warbler and it's absolutely gorgeous. Shows what you make with your paper. We love seeing everyone's creations on Facebook and Instagram. Find us at Paper Crafty Mag on your special day. Yes, lovely. And then we got some, obviously print out these papers. And there's obviously some more there at papercraftsmagazine.co.uk and then /download. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh wow. Oh yeah, man, look at these. Oh my god, wow. And then obviously spotted on Instagram there, so you've got some lovely. Now obviously with these you can also use them for like, I'd be very tempted to use that as like wrapping up a paper or something. It's just so nice, even to frame it. You know, you don't really necessarily have to use them, but there's lovely things in here. Get the picture. Arm yourself with Brother Design and Craft VC 500 watt and print memories in a flash. Yes, really, really good. Ask our experts, absolutely fabulous. And then obviously we've got an unmissable offer for you here. When you subscribe to Paper Crafter, 3 issues for only £29.97. Remember, you've got Paper Crafter, you've got Craft Beautiful, and you've also got Paper Crafter. So obviously this is that magazine, but they do others. Craft Buddy, Craft Beautiful, and there's one called the Paper Gang. The best budget on conscious craft according to an expert. These look really luxurious pens. Oh, I've got one of them. Oh yeah, man. Really lovely indeed. I really love this magazine. I paid £9.99 for that, so it's roughly about £9.99. You get some lovely gifts. And yeah, win prizes worth £1,097. How to enter? If you want to enter that and win yourself £1,097 worth of prizes, all you have to do is visit our website at papercraftmagazine.co.uk. 2, click the giveaways tab. 3, select a giveaway and enter your details. Closing date is the 16th of March 2023. Miss you so much. I do with the Ringmaster, but in the spotlights, in the spotlight, stencils are one of the most versatile craft items you will ever own. There are many ways to use them and multiple mediums to use them with. They're also very affordable too. Kitty Days shows you 4 different methods. Apply water for watercolour effects. Run your stencil through a die cutting machine to create an embossed look. Layer up distress oxide inks for multicolour motifs and use glitter paste for added sparkles. So yeah, you can tell how excited I am. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice. Apply glitter paste through your stencils using a palette knife. You can tell how excited I am about this lovely magazine. I have seen these on Amazon. Apparently it's an beanie, iPad and tablet cushion. I'm going to ask the question here. How many times are you going to put it on a beanbag? Why does it need a beanbag? I'm quite happy with it being in the phone case. Oh, look. Build a town from paper, complete scene with an impressive church and welcoming bulb. Last issue, we brought you the incredible paper town by Korean, is that? Korean? Brad, and now it's time to finish the set. Cleverly double up the houses to make a church, tower and hall. You can keep them separate if you prefer, and a pub with charming wings for good measures. Did you miss part 1? You can find the instructions for the houses at papercraftermagazine.co.uk, and this is part 2. That's a very, very tall, what I would say is a conifer tree. We used to have loads conifer trees. And then one day we had a ghastly wind and it all fell down, and yeah, there was conifers everywhere. One smashed through someone's window. But look at these. Is your loved one into crafts? Well, I am. Give them a gift of a magazine subscription this March. All 3 magazines worth $14.99 there, so you can get all 3 magazines for a whopping $14.99. And it's your birthday. Yes, hot stuff. Fuss-free foiling made easy thanks to Kitty Days. Hello, Kitty. Glitzy greetings there, really, really good. And remember that times are hard and friends are few, so till I'll see you. But anyway, it's Queen of Scotty Rose there, brilliant guy, always makes me laugh. And there we go, Paper Crafter coming next month. We've got Happy Easter, what a lovely one, and I can't wait to get it. It's round about normally the first of the month this comes out. 140 free Easter printables, really gorge. And then your luxury gift worth $17.99, 50 pieces inside designs just for you, plus a die-card making kit. Wow! 28 die-cutter tops to pop out and stick, 4 shaker card templates inside with 8 sentiment stamps to keep forever. That looks a really, really good one. We've got digital digest going on here. Papercraft is so much more than a magazine. Check out papercraftermagazine.co.uk for a wealth of principles and inspiration. Yes, free walls and papers. What I'm doing, going to do, download, and might get that. Really like that. Nice little diorama set over there. Really, really good. And you can also sell your handmade crafts online. Receive your first month's free. An online marketplace designed for handmade crafts in the UK. Selling over 1,000 product categories, packages for as you go. That don't make sense. Clear and transparent fees, support from real people, social linking and integration, cancelling time at www.youwhocreates.co.uk, and that's a tongue twister. And then we've got an artistic digitalizer there, great professional level embroidery with Geonorm artistic digital software. Really, really fabulous magazine here, and we've got some lovely goodies. So I hope you like that. I'm really excited to get that. I haven't started using the tie-dye because I need the machine that goes in with it, and I keep forgetting to order it, but I will speak to my crafting specialist, which is Esther, and see whether I can figure out where you buy them. Or we could check out Artful Stamping, they may sell them on their website. But yes, really, really good. I thoroughly recommend this magazine, absolutely love it. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. Remember that this is available through the newsagents, or you can subscribe to, I think it's Aceville Publications or DC Thompson, their sister companies. DC Thompson owns Aceville. But yeah, one of the two have them. I can't remember who does it, but yeah, one of the two. But anyway, that's Papercrafter for February. I'll see you in March for the March copy. Bye, guys.